Guys, help! Ah! Hey, get off of him! Whoa! Cypher! Oh man, what do we do? We have to help him! Sit up! Cypher! Don't touch him! Leave him alone! Give him to us! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Are you okay? I don't know! Guys, help! Is your stomach cramping? I think it is. Oh, Gravely, do you need me to call 911? I don't know, Taji. Help! I can't see! I can't see! I'm blind! Something's in my face and it's so gooey and slimy. Whoa! What did you shoot? What did you shoot? I don't know. It just came out of me. Uh-oh. Here it comes again. Get it off. Okay, I got it off. Whatever that was. Oh! It's in my face again! Oh! I can shoot slime. That's slime. It's gooey goo slime. I didn't know you can do that. I have powers.